Think World War II prisoner of war camps only existed overseas? Well, think again. Between 1942 and 1945, the Allied powers kept 400,000 prisoners of war in camps across the United States. World War II began in 1939, and a year later the German army unleashed Blitzkrieg, or Lightning War, devastating neighboring countries in Europe. As the conflict progressed, the Allies did experience some success. By 1942, Great Britain had captured so many German and Italian POWs, they were running out of room to hold them all. The United States, no longer neutral after the Japanese attack on Pearl Harbor, agreed to take in the prisoners. Over the next 4 years, the government constructed over 500 POW camps throughout the U.S. Around 455,000 German, Italian, and Japanese prisoners of war were held there. The conditions in the U.S. camps were better than you might think. Determined to treat POWs with respect, the Red Cross were allowed to conduct regular inspections. POWs were given regular hot meals, showers, and clean sheets. They could go to the movies, play sports, and listen to orchestras. One camp in Arkansas had a library of 9,000 books. POWs were worked for minimal pay on farms and in factories. And that made a difference. With so many men fighting overseas, laborers were in short supply. Across the country, German POWs and local women were credited with keeping essential crops from failing. Despite the fact that over 2,000 POWs attempted to escape the camps and were quickly caught, many returned to their homelands at the end of the war, but thousands of others decided to settle in the U.S. Interviews conducted with former inmates were largely positive, and in 1949, an updated version of the Geneva Convention made this kind of humane treatment of POWs international law. Despite this, many countries, including the U.S., have come under scrutiny for their handling of prisoners in more recent conflicts. What responsibility does a government have to treat POWs humanely?